Hocam tarafından imzalanacaktır.
The document of understanding between the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Turkey and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation of the Somali Federal Republic on cooperation in information technologies will be signed by the Turkish Deputy Foreign Minister, Mr. Naci Koru, and Somalian Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, Mr. Muhammed Nur Gacal.